Hello everybody, my name is Reed Zura and I am the president for BGSU's PRSSA chapter. Now if you're like me, you probably didn't really know what PRSSA was or that it existed. And PRSSA means the Public Relations Student Society of America. We're a smaller part of a national organization built in the profession. And no, you do not have to be a public relations student to join. We have students in multiple different areas of study that enjoy it just as much. But we do professional development, networking, we have guest speakers, we do alumni outreach, and we also have opportunities for mentorship and unique experiences with the faculty and staff right here in Bowling Green, as well as the surrounding area. But most importantly, we are a community. We enjoy great times together. We make memories and make connections that will last a lifetime after your college experience. So if this is something you're interested, make sure you follow us on Instagram at BGSUPRSSA or email me at rzura@bgsu.edu. Thank you.